साईत्रयाय विद्महे संजय बाबाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईत्रयाय विद्महे संजय बाबाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईत्रयाय विद्महे संजय बाबाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्।
Koti Pranam at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Bhagavan, Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. Baba, we offer this class at your divine lotus feet. Guide us, guard us. Okay, children, I have already put the bhajan in the group. Did you all see? Okay. So now we're going to type the wording in the chat box. One person do, because then Jyotisharan will do, Radhakrishna will do, Sumant will do, everybody will start doing. One person quickly chant, put the wordings, okay? Okay, today is what day? Anybody knows?
Thursday.
Tavnish, Manish, yes, it is Thursday. It is Thursday, we know. But other than that, in the Sai calendar, it's a very important day today. What is that day?
6th, right, today? Yeah.
Huh?
6th.
Yeah, it is 6th May. So what is the significance of 6th May? For
I'll just
so
go
many
see the
years,
calendar.
we have celebrated something on 6th May. Okay, it is celebrated as some Mother's Day. Which mother?
Mother Earth.
Yes, mother of?
Mother of Baba.
Yes. Which Baba? Now we know
Sai
three Baba. We know
Sai
Shirdi Baba. We know Satya Sai Baba.
Ishwar Amma Day. Baba. No, sorry, Satya Sai Baba.
Yes. Who said Ishwaramma Day? Yes, Sudiksha. Yes, today is Ishwaramma Day. Mother Ishwaramma, mother of Lord Satya Sai Baba. And we have celebrated Ishwaramma Day so many times. For mother, Paduka Puja was done no, on Mother's Day, Ishwaramma Day. So many times you have done. So today being Ishwaramma Day, the Mother Day, I am going to teach you a bhajan wherein we are going to pray to the Lord as He is our mother, He is our father. Okay? So this is the wordings of today's bhajan. Sai Mata Pita Dina Bandhu Sakha. Bandhu Sakha means you are my relative, you are my friend. Okay. So you are my mother, you are my father, you are my relative, you are my friend.
Auntie,
मुझे yes, you have done. That's what. So Sai Mata Pita Dina Bandhu Sakha. Tere charanon mein mera koti pranam. So at your divine lotus feet, koti koti pranams. मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा. Shakti means what?
Power.
Yes, power.
Power.
Yes. And मुझे भक्ति दो. What does bhakti mean?
Blessings. Devotion.
Yes. Yes. Correct. Devotion, blessings, everything. Okay. Bhakti do. Then mukti.
Strength. Freedom.
Yes, mukti is freedom, liberation. Very good. Okay. So this is the bhajan for today. So I'll sing and then you all can follow. Sai Mata Pita Dina Bandhu Sakha. Sai Mata Pita दीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम ओके साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा so everybody repeat unmute muted only repeat साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम Why Ananya and Arya, Swastik and you are all not repeating? Sai Mata Pita Dina Bandhu Sakha Tere Charanon mein Sai Mera Koti Pranam. Okay, who wants to sing this line? Okay, Amok.
Ma'am, I have to tell the first two lines.
Yes.
Okay. Sai Mata Pita Dina Bandhu Sakha तेरे तेरे चरणों में साई मेरे कोटि प्रणाम
तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम Okay, now next who wants to try? Okay, Himashri, after Himashri, Jyoti Sharan, after that Suman.
साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरण में साई तेरे कोटि प्रणाम
Yeah, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा. Okay, मेरा means my koti pranam. So you were saying tere charanon mein sai tera koti pranam means you are telling him only to do. May means we have to go to the Swami, no? So mera koti pranam. Okay, my koti pranam, not your koti pranam. Tera koti pranam means your koti pranam it becomes. Okay, good, very good. Yes, Jyoti Sharan.
साई माता पिता दीना बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम
Okay, Sumant.
साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा तेरे शरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम। साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा।
Yes, Swastik. Sudiksha, I will take you for the next line, okay?
साई माता पिता दीना बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम।
I will take you all in the next, okay? Now I just Tavnish Monish, then I will go to the next line, okay? Afterwards, for the next line, you all can sing. Anjana, Anuja, Naisha, you all raised hand, no? You all can sing in the next line. Okay, now Tavnish Monish, just sing this first line.
साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम।
Okay, very good. Okay. So now the same line with little variation, okay? Sai, first we sang Sai Mata Pita Dina Bandhu Sakha, Tere Charanon mein Sai Mera Koti Pranam. Now we will sing Sai Mata Pita Dina Bandhu Sakha, Tere Charanon mein Sai Mera Koti Pranam. So little variation like साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. So these two lines, who wants to try? I'll sing once more. Listen. Sumant, now not you because you already sang once. The ones who have not, they will be getting the chance. Okay. I'll sing these both the lines once again. Listen. Sai Mata Pita दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. Okay, Anjana, Anuja.
Auntie, we should sing both the variations or one?
Yes, both the lines.
साई माता पिता दीना बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम। साई माता पिता दीना बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम।
Very good. Okay, now Naisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Sing beta.
साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम। साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम.
Okay, that variation was not there, but no problem. You tried. Good. Okay, now Sudiksha, then Nandana. Okay.
साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम। साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम.
Very good. Yes, Nandana and Krishna.
साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम। साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम.
Okay, Hiresh.
Yes, ma'am. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम.
You are singing the art of living this thing, I think. This is not the one which I am teaching. My this thing tune is different. You are singing different bhajan. The wordings are same, but the tune is different. Okay. And now Suchitra.
Yes, auntie. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम.
Very good. Now who else wants to try? The ones who have not tried. Yeah, Ananya. Yes. After that, Arya, Ananya Biswas, now Ananya Ji.
Then Sridevi will
When I have to say other Ananya, I will say Ananya Arya or Ananya Biswas. So when I just say Ananya, you sing.
Yeah. 1 second. After
Yes,
this,
Chitrama?
no, after 2-3 children finishes, then Sridevi, no, will just.
Yeah, she can do. I will just teach these 2 lines only and I will stop. Next week can take in the next week. I'll just let them repeat this. That's all. Yes, Ananya.
Yes, auntie. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम.
Okay. Now Ananya, Biswas and Aryan.
साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा साई तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम.
Okay, now Aditya Sinha is left. No, you have not practiced, no, beta?
Yes, auntie, I'll
Yes,
try.
yes,
Because I'm confused in the second one. Second time that
Okay,
sign.
so no problem. Just try the first one. Second,
Yes,
I will help you.
Yes, auntie. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम.
It was okay. Very slight variation, but it was so. It was not like as you were fearing. You don't know. You know. Okay. Good. Now who is left? Everybody has Parvana. Yes. Okay, Parvana.
साई माता पिता तीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. साई माता पिता तीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम.
Very good. Now Shreya Arun, you want to try better? Your audio is not coming better. Audio is not coming.
Problem.
So Hannah.
Yes, auntie. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम। साई माता पिता तेरे दीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम।
Good, very good. Now Shreya and Sahana only left. Once you practice, then Sridevi auntie will come. Okay. Shreya and Sahana, you want to try better?
Okay, auntie.
Yes.
साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम। साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम।
Okay. The second variation you are not getting, but no problem. Okay. Okay, then Sridevi auntie, you can take over. Thank you, children. The balance bhajan we will learn next week. Okay.
Thank you, Sujata auntie. Thank you, auntie. Thank you, Sujata auntie.
Thank you, auntie.
Okay.
Thank you, auntie.
Thank you, auntie.
Sridevi auntie will.
Class is not yet over. No need of thank you. Okay.
Children, first, Sridevi auntie will start with Hanuman Chalisa. We have sent the 4 lines. Okay. Sridevi, you want to do screen sharing?
Yes, ma. Sai Rama, yes. I will share and I will tell the meaning so that they will try and learn.
Sai Rama auntie.
Okay. Sanchita ma, can you make Sridevi the co-host?
Where is Sridevi now? Oh, yeah. Is Sridevi still here? Sridevi, can you say hello, please?
Yes.
Not able to find. Sridevi.
Why in the participant list also her name is not appearing?
Yeah, has she been kicked out?
No, she is there.
You can put gallery view and maybe you can just click that more
She's
option.
seeing in the gallery view, but she's not.
I am in gallery view.
Sridevi auntie is in the participant list
Sridevi
also.
K.
Yeah. Aditya, Sanchita, Sipa, Jyoti. Oh, here. Okay.
Sridevi
found the
auntie can
file.
raise hand and the
Okay. There you go.
Acha, just 1 minute before 1 minute, Sridevi auntie. Children, in the night, we are all having earth healing meditation. From April 26th, we are doing. Now, because of the pandemic, this earth healing is being done. All of you should join. It is just 15-20 minutes. Okay. After, as soon as this class finishes, we start with that. Ask your parents to also sit and come for the healing. Okay. 8:35. And 8:38 we stop the login at same Chitrama's this thing only. Okay. And then 8:40 we start with the healing meditation, and then 8:55 it ends. So all of you join for the earth healing. Okay. Yes, Sridevi ji.
Okay. Are you able to see, no?
Yes, auntie.
Yes.
Yes, auntie.
Okay. Today I will tell first stanza of Hanuman Chalisa. Okay. First I will read the lines so that you will understand how to read. Okay. Sri Guru Charana Saroja Raja Nija Mana Mukura Sudhara Baranao Raghuvara Vimala Yasha Jo Dayaka Falachara. That means Sri Guru Charana Saroja Raja means the dust of Guru's lotus feet. Okay. Charana Raja means the dust of Guru's lotus feet. Nija mana mukura sudhara means the dust only cleans the mirror of our mind. Hanuman is praying to his Guru, means Lord Sri Rama. How he was praying? The dust of Sri Rama's lotus feet can only clear the mind's dust. Okay, the dust which is covered on our mind, that will be cleared by the dust of lotus feet of Sri Guru. Okay, so also Bharanau Raghuvara Vimala Yasha. I profess the pure untainted glory of Sri Raghuvara, which bestows the fourfold fruits of life. Means by singing the glory of Raghurama only, all the problems will be solved. Means dharma, the kama, moksha, everything will be achieved by singing the glory of Lord Rama. That is what here the third stanza is. Bharanau Raghuvara Vimala Yasha, the glory of Lord Rama. By singing the glory of Lord Rama, all the fruits will be achieved. And also our mind will be cleared by the dust of Guru. That is what the meaning of these 4 lines. How we have to sing? Just listen. Okay, we are keeping this in the group so that you just listen, sing every line, and then try to sing along with the song. Then we will get that. If anyone wants to sing now, you can try now.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, Amol.
Shri Guru Nasachara Sarojaraja Nijamana Mukura Sudara Bharanam Raghuvara Vimalayasa Jodaya Kapalachara.
Very good. Very nice. Just try to learn all these lines by heart so that every week we can learn new slides. Okay? New.
Can we sing?
Pardon?
Can we sing?
Yes.
Shri Guru Charana Sarojaraja Nijamana Mukura Sudhara Bharanau Raghuvara Vimalayasa Jodaya Kapalachara.
Very good. Very good.
Auntie, can I sing?
You are practice this palachara has to come little bit long. So just try this week.
Auntie,
Also.
can I sing?
Yes.
Yes, Auntie.
Ah.
Shri Guru Charana Sarojaraja Nijamana Mukura Sudhara Bharanau Raghuvara Vimalayasha Jodaya Kapalachara.
Very nice. Super.
Thank you, Auntie.
Auntie, can I say?
Yes.
Chitra.
Sri Guru Charana Sarojaraja Nijamana Mukura Sudhara Bharanau Raghuvara Vimalayasa Jodaya Kapalachara.
Very nice. Good.
Ma'am, can I sing?
Yes,
Yes.
Sudiksha.
Shri Guru Charana Sarojaraja Nijamana Mukura Sudhara Bharanau Raghuvara Vimalayasha Jodaya Kapalachara.
Very good.
Auntie, can I sing?
Yes.
श्री गुरु शरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार वरनौ रघुवर विमल यस जूदायक फलचार.
Very good. Palachara. Okay. Practice this week also. Very yes. Yes.
Nandana Radhakrishnan.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार वरनौ रघुवर विमल यस जोदायक फलचार.
Very nice. Good.
Now Ananya Biswas. You want to try, ma?
Okay, ma.
Yeah.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार वरनौ रघुवर विमल यस जोदायक फलचार.
Very good.
Tavnish Monish.
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like to try?
Yes.
Kanna, yes.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार वरनौ रघुवर विमल यस जोदायक फलचार.
Try
Tavni,
beta. Please
one
practice.
second, you should listen. Okay, Kanna? Just
Okay.
listen to the music, then you will get.
Okay.
Okay, Aditya Sinha.
Yes, Chitrama.
Yes.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार वरनौ रघुवर विमल यश जोदायक फलचारा.
You should also listen, Kanna. Okay, Suhana.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार वरनौ रघुवर विमल यस जोदायक फलचार.
You should listen. Okay.
Can I sing?
Yes.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार वरनौ रघुवर विमल यस जोदायक फलचार.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes. Now, Sridevi, can you just like play that
Yes, yes, ma'am.
once more so that no
Yes.
2 times auntie will play, just listen, Kanna.
Okay.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार वरनौ रघुवर विमल यश जोदायक फलचार. श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार वरनौ रघुवर विमल यश जोदायक फलचार.
Okay, children, try to practice along with this audio so that you will get all this Palachara, everything correct, exactly. Okay. For 3 days, just practice. After that, I will send new one. Okay. Ma, now can I share last Sankara?
You're muted.
Vidya auntie, Sainatha Bhagavan.
Hello, children. Sai Ram.
Sairam auntie. Sairam auntie.
Sai Ram.
Sairam auntie.
Na? We are going
Sairam
to
auntie.
revise.
Sairam
Sai Ram,
auntie.
children. Sai Ram, all of you. See, we are going to revise the old bhajan which I already taught to you. You all remember that Sainatha Bhagavan, bhajan? Do you remember that? I have sent the wordings now.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember that bhajan? Or should I will sing again?
Yes, ma'am.
You all follow and you all sing, okay? I think you people have forgotten it. We taught it last year. I taught it to you last year.
Last year. Okay.
Yeah, you must be knowing. Now I will teach you. You all will know. It is very easy, okay? I've sent the wordings. Did you see the wordings? It's there in
Yes,
group.
auntie, I even put it in the chat box.
Now have you put it?
Yeah, before only I put it.
Oh, thank you so much. There is a correction in that I will tell you as and when we sing. Okay. Now we are going to start the bhajan. Sainatha Bhagavan, Sainatha Bhagavan. Yeah, tell me.
Sainatha Bhagavan. Sainatha Bhagavan.
Sing again. Sainatha Bhagavan. Sainatha Bhagavan.
Sainatha Bhagavan.
Sing nicely. You have to listen carefully and you have to sing, okay? Sainatha Bhagavan. Sainatha Bhagavan. You have to listen nicely. Any song, any bhajan, only if you listen carefully, you will be able to sing nicely and you will get the tune. In between, you should not scratch your head and then dig your ears. All that you should not do. Okay? Okay, children, listen carefully and nicely you have to sing. And don't prolong that word Sainatha Bhagavan, okay? Sainatha Bhagavan. Sainatha Bhagavan. It should have that beat. Sainatha Bhagavan. Sainatha Bhagavan. Like that. Sing, let me hear. Yes. First, when you sing each line, you have to sing two times. Okay. Now we'll go to the next line. Teacher will sing both the lines. See. Sainatha Bhagavan. Sainatha Bhagavan. Next line is Satyam Shivam Sundaram Sainatha Bhagavan. Come on, sing.
Satyam
Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Say. Sainatha Bhagavan. Satyam Shivam Sundaram Sainatha Bhagavan.
Satyam Shivam Sundaram Sainath Bhagavan.
Now again you have to go to the first line. Sainath Bhagavan, Sainath Bhagavan.
Sainath Bhagavan, Sainath Bhagavan.
Sainath Bhagavan, Sainath Bhagavan.
Sainath Bhagavan, Sainath Bhagavan.
Now do you know these through two lines? Are you sure about these two lines? Come
Yes,
on,
aunty.
show me at least. Show thumbs up. Everybody, Aditya, are you sure? Okay. Can I move on to the next line? You will not forget, na?
Auntie, I know this full bhajan already.
Very good, very good. We are just revising it. That's all. Okay. Next is Buddham Sharanam Gacchami.
Buddham Sharanam Gacchami.
All of you together. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami.
Buddham Sharanam Gacchami.
Next line, it is printed as Brahmam Charanam. That is wrong. It is Dhammam. Dammam. Dhammam Charanam. Okay.
Dhammam Sharanam.
Yeah. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. You have to sing every line two times. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami.
Buddham Sharanam Gacchami.
Dhammam. Little higher note. Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami.
Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami.
Sangam Charanam Gacchami.
Sangham Sharanam Gacchami.
Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Any song, any devotional song, bhajans, you have to sing with devotion. Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Now again I will start from Buddham Sharanam. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami.
Buddham Sharanam Gacchami.
Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami.
Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami.
Sangam Sharanam Gacchami.
Sangham Sharanam Gacchami.
Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Shirdi Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Shirdi Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Bharti Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Satya Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Sanjay Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Sanjay Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Kirti Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Satya Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Sanjay Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. You have to say last three lines. Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Shirdi Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Bharti Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Sanjay Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Like that you have to end it. Okay. Now we will sing from Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. Will you sing one by one? Shall I ask?
Auntie,
Aditya.
only from Buddham or from the starting? Sainath Bhava.
You sing now. You need not say repeat everything two lines. You two times. You can sing one time each line, and you can sing for me. Those who do not get a chance now will sing in the next class. Okay. Now who will sing first? Shravanti and you both sing.
Sumantya. Buttam sharanam gacchami.
From first I told na. From first you sing one time.
Okay, Auntie, can you just sing the third line for me? I'm not getting it.
Sangam charanam
No.
gacchami. Which one?
The Sainath Bhava Satya Shivam Sundaram Sainath Bhava Sainath Bhava, that one. The third line.
Sainath Bhagavan Satyam Shivam Sundaram Sainath Bhagavan Satyam Shivam Sundaram Sainath Bhagavan Sainath Bhagavan. Now you got it?
Okay. Yes, Auntie.
Okay.
Sainath Bhagavan.
Sainath, like that.
Sainath Bhagavan. Sainath Bhagavan. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Sainath Bhagavan. Sainath Bhagavan. Sainath Bhagavan. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami. Sangam Sharanam Gacchami. Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Satya Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Pati Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Sanjay Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Yeah, in that you should say Shirdi Sai. Satya Sai and Parthi Sai, same Sai only. Shirdi Sai, Satya Sai and Sanjay Sai. Okay?
Okay, Auntie. Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Who else wants to?
Can we sing?
Who? Ananya?
No, Anjana Anuja.
Okay, Anjana Anuja sing. Okay. One time.
Okay, Auntie. Auntie, can I just sing this?
Sainath Bhagavan. Sainath.
Sainath Bhagavan. Sainath Bhagavan. Sainath Bhagavan. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Sainath Bhagavan. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Sainath Bhagavan. Sainath Bhagavan. Sainath Bhagavan. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami. Sangam Sharanam Gacchami. Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Shirdi Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Satya Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Sanjay Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Very good. Ananya,
Ma'am,
sing.
can I say?
After Ananya, you sing.
Okay, Auntie.
First.
Sainath Bhagavan. Sainath Bhagavan. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Sainath Bhagavan. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Sainath Bhagavan. Sainath Bhagavan. Sainath Bhagavan. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami. Sangam Sharanam Gacchami. साईश चरणं गच्छामि शिरडी साईश चरणं गच्छामि संजय साईश चरणं गच्छामि.
Very good. Now Amog wanted to sing na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sai Nath
Sainath Bhagavan.
Bhagavan. Sai Nath Bhagavan. Sai Nath Bhagavan. Sai Nath Bhagavan. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Sai Nath Bhagavan. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Sai Nath Bhagavan. 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 Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami. Sangam Sharanam Gacchami. Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Shirdi Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Satya Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Sanjay Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Very good. Now Aditya will sing.
Auntie, can we sing?
Yes, auntie.
Sai Nath Bhagavan.
One time. Sai. Sing ma, sing.
Yes, auntie. Sai Nath Bhagavan. Sai Nath Bhagavan. Sai Nath Bhagavan. Sai Nath Bhagavan. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Sai Nath Bhagavan. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Sai Nath Bhagavan. 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 Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami. Sangham Sharanam Gacchami. Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Shirdi Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Satya Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Sanjay Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Very good.
Sai Nath Bhagavan. Sai Nath Bhagavan.
Hemashri wants to sing.
Okay, auntie.
Sing.
Sai Nath Bhagavan. Sai Nath Bhagavan. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Sai Nath Bhagavan. Sai Nath Bhagavan. Sai Nath Bhagavan. Buddham Sharam Gacchami. Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami. Sangam Sharanam Gacchami. Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Satya Saisha Sharanam Gacchami. Satya Saisha Sharanam Gacchami.
Okay. You left that Shirdi Sai Sharanam that you sing, practice it, and next time you sing, okay? Shirdi Sai Sharanam Gacchami. Satya Sai Sharanam Gacchami. Sanjay Sai Sharanam Gacchami. Okay? Like that. Very good. Good, good.
Yeah. Now
Yeah,
I
ma.
will take meditation.
Yeah, ma.
We will show.
Others will sing next week, okay?
Yes. Adi Shankara slide, no?
Yeah.
Sridevi auntie. Meditation, I'll take very short meditation. All of you, come on, children. Just give energy to your hand. And we all are going to pray for our Mother Earth and for Mother India. Okay. So imagine that Mother Earth is there inside your hand. Okay. And we are going to ask for forgiveness, and we just send healing, gratitude, love, and light to all the elements. Okay? Okay, all of you close your eyes. My dear Bhagwan, I offer myself at your loving lotus feet. I love myself. I love my mother and father, my brothers and sisters, my family, all my friends, my teachers, and everyone in this world. Dear God, we have committed lots of mistakes by polluting the world. We are your children, and I ask for forgiveness, and I am grateful to all that you have given. It is so sad to see so many people in fear, in death, and suffering. I send lots of love, healing, gratitude, and light to the space element. I send lots of love, light, gratitude, and healing to the air element. I send lots of love, light, healing, and gratitude to the fire element. I send lots of love, gratitude, light, and healing to the water element. I send lots of love, light, healing, and gratitude to Mother Earth. Dear God, only your intervention can save the humanity. All small children, we all send all our love and save everyone in this world. We offer our love to Bharat Mata. May all the people who are suffering may find peace and healing. We send our gratitude to Oman. May all the people be healed. May we be protected by your divine hands. We are sending love to all the corners of this universe. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Sarvesham swastir bhavatu, Sarvesham shantir bhavatu, Sarvesham purnam bhavatu, Sarvesham mangalam bhavatu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I am grateful to you, Mother Earth. I am grateful to you, God. We are all grateful to you. for whatever you have given us. Help us to withstand and surrender with full faith at your divine lotus feet. All of you rub your hands. Keep it on top of your eyes. Open your eyes. May all be protected. May all be loved. Send all the love every day, children. Send love to Mother Bharat Mata. Send love to Oman. Send love to everyone in this world. Pray to God. Pray to God every day. God bless me. Keep everybody in India and all over the world safe. Okay, children. Now, Sridevi auntie will just quickly show for 5 to 6 minutes Adi Shankara. Okay, Kanna?
Okay.
Yes, Swami is always there with all of us.
So last week we saw final rites of Shankaracharya's mother. When he tried to arrange the cremation of his mother's body, his relatives refused to help him. Actually, when he was in other part of India, his mother was not well. He immediately understood with his yogic power and he came to his mother. Shankaracharya was somewhere in North India. He came to know of his mother's impending death. By using his yogic powers, he traveled through the air to reach her quickly. At her request, he granted her divine vision. Because this is her last wish. When he was taking sannyasa, he told that he will visit her when she wasn't on her deathbed. So, to his word, he came. With the yogic power only, he came from a long distance. Then after the divine visions, she was died. Then the final rites of his mother. When he tried to arrange the cremation of his mother's body, his relatives refused to help him. As he was a sannyasi, he was not permitted to perform funeral rites. But Shankaracharya performed a miracle. He made a funeral pyre out of plantain stalks. After placing the body on the pyre, he took some water and after chanting a few mantras, he sprinkled the water on the pyre. Immediately the pyre caught fire. Thus, he was able to complete the funeral rites without any help. No, Medjans means leaving the physical form. At the age of 32, Adi Shankaracharya retired to the Himalayas. The text says that he was last seen by his disciple behind the Kedarnath temple. He went to Himalayas and behind the Kedarnath temple, he went on the mountain like this. He went behind the mountain, walking in the Himalayas until he was not traced. Some texts refer his final days in Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. Some says that he was measured in Tamil Nadu, Kanchipuram, but some says he was measured in Himalayas. After walking on the mountain, no one has seen him. So this is the end of the Adi Shankaracharya story. Next week we will come with one more story, okay? Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now we go for
We are done with
Aarti.
Adi Shankaracharya.
Sridevi, you have Aarti. I mean Aarti song.
Not
Aarti song.
this
Vidya
one, I don't know.
and Rupali, Aarti ready, Kanna?
Yes, ma'am.
Silent Sridevi, you are playing the Aarti?
Sujata, you are there?
I don't have
Kanna,
this one.
Sujata, you can play, ma.
Okay, I'll play this one.
Both of us should show Aarti, ma.
Yes, Kanna.
Okay. Okay, ma.
I want you to do for another 2 more weeks.
Yeah, okay.
Rupali missed last week, her wedding day. So
ईश्वर परमानंद नमो स्वामी परमानंद नमो परम पूज्य साईश्वर परम पूज्य साईश्वर आत्मानंद नमो ओम जय संजय बाबा लक्ष्मी नारायण मूर्ति शुभदायक भगवान स्वामी शुभदायक भगवान सकल जगत के रक्षक सकल जगत के रक्षक मंगलकर प्रभु हे ओम जय संजय बाबा ओम जय संजय बाबा ओम जय संजय बाबा सत्य सनातन निर्मल सत्य सनातन निर्मल हे जग के दाता ओम जय संजय बाबा ओम जय संजय बाबा ओम जय संजय बाबा
Yes, where is Naisha? Naisha got disconnected.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, please say then.
सर्वेषां स्वस्तिक भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः समस्त जीवा सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त जीवा सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त जीवा सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम जय बोलो भगवान श्री संजय साई बाबा जी की जय जय बोलो भगवान श्री संजय साई बाबा जी की जय बोलो भगवान श्री संजय साई बाबा जी की
Very good, children. All of you pray for everybody in this world, Kanna. Okay? Every day pray for everybody. Okay, darling?
Okay, ma'am.
God bless you, Raja. Stay safe. Love you all so much.
Same to you, ma'am.
Sai Ram, children.
Sai
Sai
Ram,
Chitrama.
சுஜாதாமா இதுல இருந்து டிஸ்கனெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறம் திருப்பி லாகின் பண்ணணுமா?
ஆமா, என்ன இப்போ தானே 8:22 தானே ஆயிருக்கு.